How to recover past tax returns. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. If you are looking to recover past tax returns using TurboTax, here's a quick summary of how it is done. First of all, log into your TurboTax account. Simply go to your preferred web browser and navigate to the TurboTax official website. Then in the email address, enter your email, then continue. After you do so, you'll be navigated to enter your password. Make sure to enter your account password correctly. Then tap on the continue and log into your TurboTax account. Once logged in, at the left hand menu you can see documents option available there. Simply tap on the documents. You can simply choose the year you want to access. You will see options to download a PDF of your tax return or print a copy. I do not have any options available here, so you cannot see download a PDF option available here. But if you do, then you will see options to download a PDF. Also, make sure to choose the year correctly. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.